anchoring the back in goal. That is a pretty excellent starting lineup at the back. Ricky Ruiz or Noah Dolenmeyer. Well, gone Ronaldo Damas. But you've got all sorts of great returning talent. Lacroix, Ruiz, still part of things for James Chambers and Switchbacks FC. As we are just about set to go here from El Paso, Texas. Very happy you could join us. And we are underway from Southwest University Park. The defending champions in white, Locomotive in that midnight kit. Beautiful work from our friends at Hummel USA. Jamali Waite, who will be about 5 or 6 times this season wearing the gold and green for his native Jamaica. He has been a solid substitute for Andre Blake many, many seasons. Locomotive FC under pressure. That is an early penalty call. And going to ground, Colorado Springs earns the penalty in the first minute of the game. Calvillo. Micaletto with the right foot. Sends Waite the wrong way and scores in minute 2. Marco Micaletto earns and takes and wins the penalty for Switchbacks FC, and a dream start for the visitors. As I take it, Marco Micaletto with the baby celebration, perhaps announcing something to the fans up in Colorado Springs. The second minute penalty goal taken by Micaletto, and you wondered where some of that goal production was coming as he gives Jamali Waite the eyes and slots it into that left corner. Who came to El Paso from Switchbacks FC for Justin Dillon in a trade. Once again playing for his old coach. Flag stays down for Moreno. Moreno. Great get back. Moreno puts it in. But Locomotive comes away with that. Locomotive has done a good job of winning things back. It's a good sidestep here. How about this weaving run in from the right-hand side, all the way to the edge of the area. Nowhere left to go and sent out. In the end, a throw in for Locomotive FC. But Beto Avila strutting his stuff in the early going. Trying to find Avila again. It's cut off. Zandi there. The turnover. DeRoma. The turn and the goal scored! Amando Moreno rolls it in to tie the match. Wrong footing Herrera. Level terms for Locomotive FC. Just what you wanted to see, Amando Moreno opening his account on opening night in El Paso. What a win back by DeRoma, who is proving his worth. Back to Herrera and to Mahoney. He'll launch one, but nowhere in the vicinity. And that is the end of our first half of play. Second half opening whistle from Eligio Arreguin, and now we're underway proper. So yes, the seconds will count on the clock, but good interception though, Ortíz. Great work, Palermo Ortíz to the left foot. The give back, Ortíz! That's deflected and parried back in. What a save, Herrera. What a drive. Oh, Shaban, brother, that's DeRoma. It's a good keep. Played in, DeRoma. Left, sent in and just missed Ruiz. Trying for that far post. Christian Herrera absolutely flat-footed. From Avila. To Quincy Uerme coming in. Frenchman for Colorado Springs. He'll replace Yosuke Hanya. Charlie Adams replaces Anthony Fontana. Trying to get it going. Here's Coronado. Tejada all over him, but Coronado's already passed the ball. Off to the right side. Fjeldberg has it go. Deflected in. It's off of Alfaro. And it's 2-1 out of nothing. Switchbacks FC. Jonas Fjeldberg let it rip from the edge of the 18-yard box, and it took a wicked hop off of Alfaro into the back of the net. Switchbacks at the expiration of the 73rd minute earns its lead back. And here is the substitution, Justin Dillon coming in. Locomotive making a pair of substitutions. Andy Cabrera coming in for Tumimo Shaban. Coronado. Driven in from the right wing and knotted down. The rebound. Herrera, what an incredible save. Has some words for Daniel Carter. We take a look at this one. Herrera, what a reaction. Carter tried to get there, but it just bounced wide of him. These are all bang-bang plays. Herrera with that long frame reaches out to get a hand down. Not the easiest thing for a big guy down at his side. Torres trying to keep and dribble around the pressure, which he does. Torres, the cross, bounces, and a score! Cabrera! Andy Cabrera, it bounced to him, and he ties the match in the 92nd minute. Locomotive showing heart, showing steel, and surely earning at least a point. Thrilling the crowd at Southwest University Park. Andy Cabrera on the deflection. Daniel Carter in the thick of it. But Cabrera shows El Paso some love. What a beautiful cross by Torres. And that is the end of the match. Locomotive rescues a point. Still no first ever home match win for Locomotive FC, but